down, and they're not going to go any further than what they have.
Oh, is that what it is?
Probably about 20 feet this side of the D-rail.
What does that mean?
D-rails on the track. Some rolls away to derail the trains instead of running onto the Yep.
Now what? How do you get turned around?
And there were specific orders for one train to be pointed south.
So what do you do now?
Paperwork.
Go to Weyburn and what?
Go around approximately Station
Oh, fuck, we got a motherfucker coming down on us like a fucking rocket ship. Oh, you cocksucker. What the fuck? This cocksucker. He's not even supposed to fucking do that. Son of a bitch, you cocksucker. What a bastard. He had no business fucking doing that. He could have killed us. And I had my signal light on way fucking in advance, that son of a bitch. Oh, I don't know if I can really get you too close. Nope. This truck, your car tires look good, but looks are deceiving. Yeah, fuck, I'm driving that like a dumbass. So I'll turn around here and guess I'll let you guys walk the track. Walk the rail. I don't even think I'd try that in a 4x4. It doesn't look like you guys got one of them side roads down here. Or this right there, maybe. That fucking bastard, he's lucky. Oh, he's not lucky because